Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Wi-Fi is not showing on your Windows. You cannot find it on your taskbar and also on your Windows settings. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. First is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Now click on services under the best match. Then you have to scroll down to the W section and look for the WLAN autoconfig service. Make a right click, select properties. Startup type, that should be automatic. Service status, make sure this is running. So you just have to click on the start button, click on apply, click on OK. And then you just can also click on the restart button in the left pane. And then close this. And then just try to check if that helped you fix the issue. Now for the next method is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. Control panel item, click on that. Now here, locate your connection, make a right click, select disable, and then wait for some time. By disabling it and then enabling it again, that will refresh it, so wait in a while. Then right click, select enable, and you will be reconnected into your connection. And then close this. For the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type device manager. Click on it under the best match. Now here you need to look for network adapters. Locate your connection, make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you just need to simply choose one by one as to what will work for you. And then you can just simply click on the next button. And now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then for the next method, we can also uninstall the driver. So make a right click on it, select uninstall device. Then you have to click on the uninstall option, and after that, you just need to restart your Windows, and that will automatically reinstall the driver, the network driver, into your Windows, and then check the if the problem has been fixed. And for the last method, click on the start button and then go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, select network and internet. You'll find advanced network settings. Click on network reset. Click on reset now and click on yes, and make sure to remember your connection password or your Wi-Fi password, because after you have clicked on yes, that will restart your Windows and then you have to re-enter your connection password. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.